How to start a profitable YouTube channel. Welcome to the exciting world of YouTube. With billions of users and countless hours of video content being uploaded every minute, it's no wonder that starting a profitable YouTube channel has become a dream for many aspiring creators. But how do you stand out in this crowded space? How can you grow your audience and make money from your videos? In this video, we'll guide you through the essential steps to kickstart your journey towards building a successful and profitable YouTube channel. From the equipment you need to the strategies that will help your channel thrive, we've got you covered. So grab your camera or smartphone, and let's dive right in. But first things first, what exactly do you need to start a YouTube channel? Let's find out in our next section. What do you need to start a YouTube channel? To start a YouTube channel, you don't need much in terms of equipment. A decent camera or even your smartphone will do the trick. What matters more is the content you create and how you connect with your audience. Next, consider investing in good lighting. Natural light is great, but if that's not possible, opt for affordable studio lights to ensure clear and well-lit videos. Sound quality is equally important, so a microphone can make all the difference in delivering crisp audio. Once you have your equipment sorted out, it's time to think about what kind of content you want to produce. Find a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise, whether it's beauty tutorials, gaming reviews, or cooking vlogs. Choose something that sets you apart from the competition. Consistency is key when building an audience on YouTube. Decide on a schedule for uploading videos and stick to it religiously. This helps build anticipation among your subscribers and keeps them coming back for more. Don't forget about branding. Create eye-catching thumbnails and channel art that reflects your unique style or personality. A visually appealing appearance goes a long way in attracting viewers' attention. Remember that starting a YouTube channel requires patience and perseverance. It takes time to gain traction and grow an audience organically. Stay dedicated to producing quality content regularly while engaging with your viewers through comments or social media platforms. With these essentials in place, you're ready to embark on creating an engaging YouTube channel. Now let's move on to our next section where we'll discuss tips for making your channel stand out from the crowd. How to make your channel stand out. When it comes to starting a YouTube channel, one of the most important factors for success is making your channel stand out from the crowd. With millions of videos uploaded every day, competition can be fierce. So how do you make your mark and ensure that viewers choose your content over others? First and foremost, find your niche. Identify what makes you unique and embrace it. Whether you have a particular talent or passion, showcasing something different will attract an audience who wants to see more. This could be anything from cooking with unusual ingredients to providing valuable insights on a specific topic. Focus on creating high-quality content. Invest in good equipment such as cameras and microphones to ensure that your videos are visually appealing and sound professional. Take the time to edit your footage carefully, adding effects or graphics if necessary. The better the quality of your content, the more likely people are to subscribe and keep coming back for more. In addition to producing great content, engage with your audience regularly. Responding to comments and addressing viewer requests not only shows that you value their input but also helps build loyalty among subscribers. Consider hosting live streams or Q&A sessions where viewers can interact directly with you. Don't underestimate the power of promotion. Utilize social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, etc. to share snippets of upcoming videos or behind-the-scenes looks at what goes into creating them. Collaborate with other YouTubers in similar niches by doing guest appearances on each other's channels or collaborating on joint projects. Tips for growing your audience. Tips for growing your audience. 1. Consistent and high-quality content. One of the most important tips for growing your audience on YouTube is to consistently create high-quality content that resonates with your target audience. This means taking the time to plan, film, edit, and upload videos regularly. By providing value and delivering on what your viewers expect from you, you'll be able to attract more subscribers over time. 2. Optimize your videos for SEO. To increase visibility and search results and attract more viewers to your channel, it's crucial to optimize your videos for SEO, search engine optimization. This involves using relevant keywords in titles, descriptions, tags, and thumbnails. Additionally, make sure your video titles are catchy and compelling enough to grab attention. 3. Engage with your community. Building a loyal community of followers is essential for growing your YouTube channel. Take the time to respond to comments on your videos and engage with viewers through social media platforms like Instagram or Twitter. Show genuine interest in their feedback and suggestions. This will encourage them to keep coming back for more. 4. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Collaborating with other YouTubers can greatly expand your reach and help you tap into new audiences who may not have discovered you otherwise. Consider reaching out to creators within a similar niche or industry where there could be mutually beneficial opportunities for collaboration. 5. Monetize your channel strategically. While monetizing your channel is an exciting prospect, it's important not to compromise the integrity of your content by bombarding viewers with excessive ads or sponsored content placements. Instead, focus on strategic partnerships that align well with both yours as well as viewer interests. Growing an audience takes time, but implementing these tips can help accelerate growth while maintaining authenticity along the way. How to make money from your YouTube channel. One of the most exciting aspects of running a successful YouTube channel is the potential to make money from your content. While it may seem like a dream come true, turning your passion into profit requires careful planning and strategic decision-making. Here are some tips on how to monetize your YouTube channel effectively. You need to join the YouTube Partner Program, YPP, in order to be eligible for revenue generation. This program allows you to earn money through advertisements that are displayed on your videos. Once you meet certain criteria such as having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within the past 12 months, you can apply for YPP. Another way to generate income is through brand partnerships and sponsorships. As your channel grows in popularity, companies may approach you with opportunities for collaboration or product endorsements. It's important to choose partnerships that align with your values and interests while providing value to your audience. Additionally, consider creating merchandise related to your channel. Whether it's t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases featuring designs inspired by your brand, selling merchandise can be a lucrative source of income and also serves as a form of marketing. Don't underestimate the power of crowdfunding platforms like Patreon or Ko-fi. These platforms allow fans and supporters of your content to contribute financially on an ongoing basis or give one-time donations. Remember that building a profitable YouTube channel takes time and effort. It won't happen overnight. But by diversifying your revenue streams and consistently delivering valuable content, you'll increase the chances of earning money from this platform. Starting a profitable YouTube channel may seem like a daunting task, but with the right strategies and dedication, it can be a rewarding venture. By following the steps outlined in this article, you now have a roadmap to kickstart your journey towards YouTube success. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to building an audience on YouTube. Regularly upload high-quality content that resonates with your target audience and engages them. Take advantage of SEO techniques to optimize your videos and attract more viewers. As you grow your subscriber base and gain more views, explore various monetization options available on the platform. From ads and sponsorships to merchandise sales and brand partnerships, there are multiple ways to generate revenue from your YouTube channel. Don't forget to continuously analyze your channel's performance using analytics tools provided by YouTube. This will help you understand what works best for your audience and make necessary adjustments along the way. Always stay true to yourself and create content that you are passionate about. Authenticity plays a crucial role in attracting loyal subscribers who will support you in the long run. Now go ahead, start filming, editing, uploading. Your profitable YouTube journey awaits.